And welcome everybody. SoFi stock on 26th November. So let's see what would happen if it's going to be about the SoFi nowadays. So as we want to explain, this is going to be the increase in momentum here, and then the decrease in momentum here would be a result. So the result was going to be so good, and then the increase would be a result next time. And I think this was going to be on 1 day update, as we wanted to know that the 1 day update was going to be very seriously successful with SOFI stock. So the start was going to be here on a value of 11 or 10 USD on 1 December 2020. So it wanted to increase here as a maximum value that it has reached on 2 February 2021, and then it reached to 5 USD on 2022 on 16 November. That what I could explain as a price prediction and the journey of the movement of wave in this stock.